In this video I got a YFZ carburetor, which I'm going to be doing the cleaning on. Never done it, my first time, so I'm just going to go taking piece by piece off, cleaning and putting it back together. But first I'm going to clean the housing. Alright, it came out decent. So now we're just gonna start with the bottom. We'll take this off and then try to clean it. Alright, I got the needle. Look how dirty this thing is. With a screw that was right here on the bottom. Right here. And I got 4 screws from here, from this housing. So let's take this off. Hopefully it comes out. Okay, here it comes. Wow. It's dirty, huh? Alright, time to clean. Up about everything on here that you see. The main housing, all the little ports going through carburetor have been cleaned with a carb cleaner, along with the throttle housing, floater housing. All the little things have been cleaned. Ran carb cleaner through all of these, especially like this guy. See all the little holes. All that has been cleaned up. And I just got a few more screws to clean and then put everything back together. This is a throttle housing. It's kind of funny, it looks like one of those solar cars. That's gonna go back on top, and just gotta put everything back together and start her up. difficult as I thought it was going to be. So I took off the bottom part, cleaned up all the jets, cleaned the jets in here as well, cleaned the top, throttle housing. Pretty good. It came up pretty good, I think. So next thing I got installed is fuel tank wall. Mine is leaking, so I'm gonna have to take the fuel tank out because there's some gas in there, and it's also kind of hard to get this guy out because of this plastic right here. Tank, I could have just slid it more back. It would have came out, but I just took off the front end for no reason. But it's alright. As I can tell you, because I think I had my wires running right through the loop, so no biggie. Let's drain the fuel and then change the wall and a gasket. Now it's just get the screwdriver and get these two screws off and move some stuff over. Easy as that. As you can see, this one is a little bit gunged up. So. This is the OEM style, and this is the aftermarket one. There's a difference. The main intake is on the left and the other one is on the right, and the reserve is on the left. Looks like I had some bad fuel in there because it was really gunked up, but we're gonna put a new one in and then assemble everything back together and get a new gas. Alright, so next we're just gonna go put everything back together, including the carb.